Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For first, let me introduce myself. My name is Naufal Berlian T, Informatic Engineering student of Islamic State University Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, from 12th group with my teammate Laela Chintia. And now I will giving a review for a journal by Mehmet Asma, titled Integrating Technology into ESP Classes, Use of Student Response System in English for Specific Purpose Instruction. And now let me show you original journal by Mehmet Asma. Okay, this is okay. Journal named Integrating Technology into ESP Classes of Use of Student Response System in English for Specific Purpose Instruction by Mehmet Asma from Bandira Onjeni and Yul University. Okay, let's begin. This paper presented the result of an experimental study investigating the impact of clicker used through a smartphone application called Kahoot. Despite positive result of clicker use in the existing general English literature, this impact of clicker use has not been examined in the field of ESP. To address this issue, this study investigated the effectiveness of clicker by comparing pre-test and post-test score of a control and an experimental group and the score of male and female participants in the experimental group. The result of a 10-week implementation of clicker used with the student of tourism and hospitality department in the experimental group indicated that while post-test scores were significantly higher for the experimental group than for the control group, there was not statistically significant difference between the post-test score of male and female participants in the experimental group. Implication for teaching ESP with the help of technology and suggestion for further research we were also provided. Let me introduce and background of to the study. English for Purpose header ESP is considered as an approach to teaching and learning of English as a foreign language. However, in contrast to other pedagogical approaches, the entire course, its content and objective are based on the specific need of target learner. Now, let me review the literature on gamification and clicker in language education. In today's education, the problem that students face, such as uh, underachievement and behavioral as well as emotional difficult, have never been so serious, and they eventually lead to dropout for many students. In line with this fact, if the students are kept passive in the class with the implementation of traditional teaching methods, students get bored, they not come to classes, and finally they drop out. However, the situation is not same for all learning conditions. Despite the current abundance of the distressor for the students, such as the internet, mobile phone, social media, and many other activities, if appropriate material and technology are employed, students do not experience alienation in their learning condition, and especially some of them promote uh, excitement, stimulation, and engagement in the process of learning, leading to meaningful learning. Uh, Next, methodology. This is This experimental study employed a pretest and post-test design with two intake classes to assess the effect of clicker on student learning of ESP. Despite the lack of random selection, intern classes were the most ecologically sound setting for this research. In the case of implementing a new clicker technique, the study presented some limitation which need to be addressed in further research. For all, the participants of this study were composed of two intake classes regarded as control and experimental group. Two larger sample and randomly assigned group may be employed with the inclusion of a delayed post-test in the further research. Moreover, the results of this study were limited with the overall language performance of the ESP student in the field of tourism. However, the data regarding that average time to answer the question, student attitude and motivation, as well as their willingness to take part in communication and activities in SP classes. In SP classes may provide significant result for the researchers in this field. In addition, longitudinal effect of the use of clicker and student, as well as instructor views, may so be investigated in order to be able a better insight. As a final remark, clicker may be used as a supplementary tool to enhance performance of ESP learner in the field of tourism and hospitality. Taking the result of the present study into account, course designer and author responsible for creating ESP book may benefit from clicker use in the iTool set of the book by allocating more clicker use instead of providing just video and the related topic, considering the effectiveness of using clicker in the result of this and many other studies. ESP teacher may be argued to use them in their classes. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope we can get a benefit for this video. That's all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.